Hello and welcome to the Paris Navigation tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll look at the Paris homepage. We'll check out the navigation bar and employee search. We'll also look at your inboxes and outboxes. Finally, we'll take a look at the payroll record view. Let's explore Paris. Let's start with the homepage. This is what you see when you first log in. At the top on the left, you'll find the welcome bar. This area displays your name and NetID. Under the welcome bar is the Alerts and Messages area. This section shows important messages and warnings. In the Quick Search area, you can search for an employee by UIN to see their payroll history. The Resources section has helpful links to resources like training materials. Let's check out the navigation bar next. The navigation bar is on the top right of the screen. Let's take a look at each icon. The first is Home. This takes you back to the home page from anywhere in Paris. Next to that is Employee Search. This lets you search for an employee's payroll history. In Outboxes accesses the lists of transactions that you own or have processed, as well as transactions owned or processed by others in your permission group. The Transactions menu, which is only available when you're viewing an employee's payroll record, shows various transactions depending on your role and security. It also lets you see the transaction history for an employee. The Admin Tools menu gives you access to your user settings, securities, and other administrative tools. And at the very end of the navigation bar is the Logout button. Let's look at the Employee Search next. The Employee Search section has two areas. The top part has the criteria you can search for. The bottom part shows the search results. Let's do a search for employees with the last name Roosevelt on the Urbana-Champaign campus. Here's our results. Let's check out inboxes and outboxes next. There are 4 different inboxes and outboxes. Each one shows a specific list with different transactions. My Inbox shows transactions that you own. Group Inboxes shows transactions routed to your permission group. My Outbox shows transactions that you've routed. And Group Outboxes shows transactions processed by others in your permission group. Next, let's look at the Payroll Record View, or PRV. The PRV shows an employee's pay history information. It's organized into 4 sections: All Transactions, Employee General Information, Pay Event Year, and Pay History. The All Transactions section has a list of active Paris transactions. You can see the type of transaction in the Transaction Type column. The Memo column shows the pay event information. The Employee General Information section has basic employee data in the General Info tab. The PRV uses accordions or expandable screens to keep information accessible but organized. You can tell if a screen is expandable by the arrow icon. Let's click the accordion to view General Employee Information. Here we have the employee's UIN, name, employee status, and home chart org information. Next to the General Info tab are the Memos and Audit Trail tabs. These tabs are only available when you're viewing or editing a specific transaction. The Pay Event Year section is where you can view pay events by year. Click the Year link to see each year's pay events. The Pay History section has all pay information for specific pay events. You can tell a job wasn't paid if you see a red $sign with a slash through it. Let's look at a job that was paid. The pay events begin with the letters MN, so this employee gets paid once a month. Let's click Pay Event MN3 to see how the pay history is organized. There are 2 areas here: Event Details and Jobs. Let's look at event details first. Here, you'll see the calculated net and gross paid out and the sequence and disposition numbers. Now let's look at jobs. Here, you'll see all active jobs for the pay event. This employee has 2 active jobs for this pay event. Let's click the first job to look at earnings details. The information here includes the earn code, the amount of hours or units paid, and the dollar amount, along with the CFOPL debited for the job. In this tutorial, we looked at the Paris homepage, the navigation bar, and employee search. We also looked at your inboxes and outboxes and the payroll record view. Thank you for your time.